Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a super simple Oreo cake using just 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard me right, just 3 ingredients. Okay, so let's see how to make them. Here I have taken 16 Oreos, of which I have taken off the frosting or the cream part into another bowl. But make sure you don't throw it away because we'll be needing this later on. Now that we have separated the cream from the cookies, I'm going to use a Ziploc cover and a rolling pin to crush the cookies in. Instead, if you have a food processor, you can use that as well. Make sure the cookies are all finely crushed, or else it will be a little hard for you to mix later on. After you're done with that, empty the whole bag of crushed cookies into a large bowl. Along with that, I'll be adding 3/4 tablespoons of baking powder to it. And I'm going to give them a quick whisk until they are both mixed together. After that, I'll be adding 3/4 cups of milk to it and giving it a quick whisk until everything is well combined. Once you have done that, I'll be adding the cream we had taken out from the cookies earlier into this bowl and giving it a good whisk. This might take a little while, but you have to keep mixing until it's all dissolved in. Now, as I said, this is going to take you a while, but you need to keep on mixing until it looks somewhat like this. So now the batter for our cake is ready. Yes, you heard me right, that's all it. So once your batter is ready, I have taken a small saucepan to which I'm going to lay out a butter paper. I don't know if this is the right time to say it, but we are not going to be baking this in an oven. We are going to use a stovetop, so you don't have to worry about preheating your oven or anything like that. So once you are done pouring the batter into the saucepan with the parchment paper in, I'm going to use a lid to cover it, and let's go to the stovetop. Here I have used an old frying pan below the saucepan to prevent it from burning. Your cake will be ready in approximately 15 minutes. Use a skewer or a knife or something to check whether it's done. If the skewer comes out all clean, that means it's done. And our cake is all ready. This is how it looks out of the pan. It's all soft and moist and tasty. I would love to show you how it looks when it's cut, but unfortunately I lost the footage while editing. So here it is. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!